My name is Mary Jane Talap, and I will going to share with you some short video about what does the Filipino the so-called values. Okay, so let's watch this. So the Sustainable Development Goal number 1, no poverty, aims to end poverty in all its forms by 2030. It focuses on reducing extreme poverty, tackling inequality, and ensuring everyone has equal access to economic resources and opportunities. So for this video, we're going to share with you how does Filipino youth emphasizing being optimistic and perseverance despite of challenges and struggles they have encountered amazed by their
Kahirapan. Yan ang suliraning kinakaharap ng bansang Pilipinas. Isang suliranin na dekada-dekada ng problema ng ating bansa. Problemang pumipigil sa ating lipunan na maabot ang rurok ng kaunlaran. Gaano na nga ba nasadlak sa kahirapan ang bansang Pilipinas? Ayon sa latest statistical data on poverty and department, 21
their mother hike for more than 2 hours each way to come here, to the outskirts of the city dump. They spend 6 or 7 hours picking through endless mounds of garbage and filth in search of food to eat, as well as plastic bottles and other recyclables to sell. The small bundle strapped to their mother's back is their baby brother Hugo, just 6 months old. The stench is overpowering, and the work dangerous. Broken glass, medical waste, rusty metal.
Bali dito lang po kami nakaano kasi dito po nagtatrabaho yung tatay ko.
May mga kapatid ka ba?
Nakapatid po ako, muli sa probinsya ng tatay ko. Kinuha ng tatay ko.
Iniwan ng tatay mo?
Kinuha.
Dito ha?
Bali ako lang po naiwan itong anak ng
Asa
mama
na?
ko.
Bakit?
Sabi ko kasi ng tito ko na matay po daw yung tatay ng ng papa ko. Kaya umuwi si papa doon.
Pero hindi na bumalik.
Nag-asawa na lang doon. Kaya iniwan kami ni papa at kami dalawa lang ni mama. Tapos, kasi po, yung pinaka, po naranasan namin dito sa kalye, yung lait-laitin po kami dahil mahirap lang po kami. Tapos, kung ano po sinasabi sa amin, pwede po nila kami lait-laitin. Kahit ano po, tinatanggap lang namin yung kasi nga, alam po namin na mahirap lang po kami. Pero po alam po namin na pupunta, isang araw din po mararating din namin pangarap namin. Tapos, nataasan na lang po namin sila ng
I said it's a shame that we can't walk together today. You know it's a waste. pour it all down the drain. And I see young girls who are mothers with babies don't believe what you see and consider today. 'Cause we are brave, beautiful animals, and they just keep on degrading, feel no pain. For we will walk together again. And they will see as I put my guns to the ground, and they will sing. Oh, this ever-loving sound. We can rejoice, we have a choice, and I'll hold you in my heart until the end. From the start till this world is torn apart. Well, I said it's a case of psychosis in my Coca-Cola, and I rage. It won't bring us together today. No, we don't want. Hey, no. Be positive and hopeful. Feel no pain. Well, I said it's a shame.
Sige, sige.